Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to grow green giant Arborvitae, only way. Plant them in full sun with well-draining soil, spacing trees 6 to 8 feet apart to allow healthy growth. Water regularly during the first 2 growing seasons and mulch to conserve moisture and encourage strong root systems. Prune lightly for shape and remove dead wood, and monitor for pests to keep foliage dense and vibrant. I recommend planting on a slightly raised bed to improve drainage and reduce root rot risk. Dig a hole twice as wide as the root ball and set the root flare level with soil. Backfill with native soil mixed with compost and tamp gently. Water deeply after planting to settle roots and apply 2 to 3 inches of mulch, keeping it off the trunk for healthier trees. Establish a watering schedule that delivers deep, infrequent soaking to encourage roots to grow downward. Feed Arborvitae with a balanced slow-release fertilizer in early spring following label rates. Prune once a year in late winter to remove crossing branches and maintain a columnar shape. Thin only if air circulation is poor to reduce disease. Watch new growth for signs of stress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.